Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use breakout rooms in Zoom. Set up your breakout rooms and teams before your meeting begins. This will save you time for admin tasks during your meeting. To set up rooms, schedule a meeting beforehand. Head into your team's calendar, schedule a meeting with participants. Once you have them invited and the meeting set, you can set up the rooms. Begin by editing your meeting and going to the Breakout Rooms tab. From there, click Create Rooms, select the number of rooms, and up to 50 rooms can be selected. From there, click Assign Participants and decide if you want teams to automatically assign your students to a room, or you can also do this manually. It doesn't take long to manually assign them, so don't be afraid of this option. You only need to click the student's name, click Assign, and choose which room. As of right now, Teams doesn't have the feature to use and save your breakout rooms. So for each meeting, you will have to reassign your participants to a room. If you have groups that don't change regularly, you can still create channels and do a breakout room that way. Once all of your students are assigned to a room, check out all the different settings you can customize for your breakout rooms. First, give your breakout rooms their own names. You can quickly rename each room in accordance with the subject. It will also help students remember which room they are supposed to be in. Click on the three dots on the top right of the room name. In the same menu, you can edit that, change the settings, or delete it. Now that all your settings are complete, we can open up the breakout rooms and get the students chatting. To start using the breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams, you can open each room one at a time, or by going into the room settings, you can also open them all at once. Once the meetings are open, you will be alone in the main meeting because all your students have been placed into their breakout rooms. You can make sure each student is in the meeting by dropping down the menu for each room. There it is. It shows if a student is in the meeting or has not made it there yet. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.